Hey everybody, ProTrader Mike, founder of Mojo Day Trading. Should be able to see my screen, day trading for a living, become the next pro trader. Do you see that? Dave?
Yeah, I see it. Yep.
Great. Day trade for a living. Excellent. So standard disclaimer for the industry. My name is ProTrader Mike. I founded Mojo Day Trading 10 years ago, not a registered investment advisor. Any regulatory authority, the business services don't require such. The standard disclaimer, hypothetical performance, inherent limitations, unlike actual performance. Since the trades have actually not been executed, the results may be overcompensated for impact, market factors, liquidity, slippage, and commissions, etc. I myself and ProTrader Mike, teacher. I've taught about 1,200 people in the last 8-9 years how to day trade for a living, stocks and trading in the stock market. And for 25 years, my success is based on a proprietary, what I call profit system that allows anyone to become a better and more profitable trader by compounding daily gains. You can exceed or replace any income you've had before. You don't need $1 million trading account to make $1 million per year. There are literally hundreds of traders right now from all over the world following a simple profit system, making thousands of dollars every day. And I've been trading for 25 years. I'm the master of my trade, and I figured out how to win, and I'm going to start teaching it to you. Day trading for a living and why you should do that. Okay. Day trading, the average American worker makes around $55,000 a year. It's $4,647 a month, 232 big dollar roonies a day. Everyone in the chat room, you want to type in, think for a minute, what maybe your new outcome goal may be. How much do you want to make a day? Do you want to make like $100 a day? That would be a $24,000 a year Mojo machine versus 500 a day. You at $120,000 per year. That's a nice outcome goal right there. That's a beautiful $1,000 a day. You'd love to wake up every day, make $1,000 a day. That's $240,000 a year trading stocks if you make $1,000 a day, because there's 240 days to trade. And 2,000 a day, and you make it to 4,000, you're at almost $1 million a year. And this is the outcome goal. This is what your far-fetched outcome that you want to achieve. But how do you achieve it is with the process goals. Okay, and we'll get to that. Day trading lifestyle. If you're 18 to 25 years old out there in the audience, and you're single, you're living in an apartment, $5,000 a month is quite the lifestyle for you. I used to be that age. $60,000 a year, 240 days at $250 a day. At 25 to 35 years old, you're getting married. $10,000 a month is quite the lifestyle. You need that. $120,000 a year, 500 a day. 35 to 65 years old, 10,000 a month. And even 65 years old, you may have a different agenda towards retirement per month, but $10,000 per month is quite the nice lifestyle. Okay, 240 days, $1,000 a day, $240 a year. You start as a baby and you work your way up. You work smarter, not harder. Smarter. S. You need specific goals that are precise and detailed as possible, like your outcome goal. I want to make this much per day, this much per year. That's the outcome. What's the process to make that? It must be measurable, by which you can quantify your current position and determine the amount of improvement that you need. It's got to be accepted and shared and negotiated by others. I mean, dude, I'm going to make $15 million this year. Well, that's a stupid outcome goal, because that ain't realistic. Who's going to accept that? You've been trading for 1 year. That's not realistic. You got to have goals that are realistic in a certain time period that you expect to achieve those. And it's exciting. The goal is going to motivate you every day, because I have the potential to make $240,000 a year as a trader. And you want to write and record all of it down in a journal so you can test your progress, and you're going to work smarter, not harder. The hard way is everybody doesn't have a system. So 9 out of 10 day traders fail because they have no system. It's all over Wall Street bets and Reddit and all over the place. And everybody's giving you information overload. You never had a mentor or a coach to show you what to do. And there's so much more on the hard way, like you have the world on your back. Well, my mission in Mojo and my courses is to give you the training you need so you can kick the market's ass every single day. 9 out of 10 traders, they fail in stocks because you don't have lack of knowledge of how the firms trade against you in the stock market. Your lack of knowledge of how the market makers fake you out. Your lack of knowledge on how to manage your buying power and leverage in your account. How to manage your share size. All new traders fail because they don't know any of these to a higher level. How to scale in and out of trades, how to journal your trades, how to handle bad situations. Are you answering yes to any of these? That's why you fail, and you need a coach, mentor, and training and better stock knowledge with the profit system, not a strategy, a system that has a strategic set of rules that make the system work. The pitfalls for day traders, it's easy. Day traders in stocks, you trade in the pre-market and you ruin the cycle for the entire day. You have no discipline. You don't have patience to wait for your setup. Everybody is greedy. Nobody listens to the inner person. The inner person is, hey, I'm in the trade and oh, look, it's going against me. I'm losing. Is it going to come back? When you just say that, is it going to come back? Guess what? You lost. You need to cut it right there. Every time your inner person says, oh, is it going to come back? No. Nobody knows how to shut it off after hitting their daily goal. They're going to try to make more money. And 9 out of 10 traders give it back because they have no discipline, no scaling, no stops out, over trading, no maximizing your trades, and no knowledge of the level 2. Day trader mistakes. Trading in the pre-market ruins your opening wave in the stock market. New traders, if you trade in the pre-market and you're all wrong, it ruins your opening wave. I have journaled in my journal over 1,000 times, I have, Dave, that I can get a better price once the stock market opens than getting in the pre-market. You're always sitting there saying, oh man, it may never be at this price again. I better buy it now in the pre-market. Well, guess what? You'll get a better price at the open. Not stopping after hitting your daily goals and giving back all your profits. I've journaled that 1,000 times. Go ahead and be up 1,000 times, trade more, and I guarantee, and I can put a guarantee on, you'll lose 900 times. Totally. You'll give it all back. And you don't know how to scale in, scale out, and use stops. Meaning, is it a good trade? Like you're playing poker, ace, ace, and king, king versus ace 5 and ace 8. They start with an ace, but one is crappy and one is good. One you have to play aggressive and one you have to play less aggressive. Those are the setups in stocks and identifying them. Right here is where you want to keep your account equity. Let's say you start at $30,000. You want to make 5%. $1,500 a week is $31,500. Your weekly income, you take out $750, you leave in $750. Okay. And your account grows. Your monthly income is $3,114 in 1 month right there. And by leaving in part of the money, your money in month 2 in 8 weeks grows to $3,438, making 5% on your money, compounding the gains, going from $30,000 to a $50,000 account. And by monthly income of $4,620, taking out some money, leaving in some money at the end of year 1, you'll make $78,000, starting with a $30,000 account, 144 at the end of year 2, and 248 at the end of year 3, totaling 471,000 after 3 years, making that 5% per week on your money, taking half out and leaving half in. It's a good game plan. It's how day traders do it. And the monthly continues as you get higher and higher. Your monthly income will grow after 23 weeks, and your account's $500,000, making 4% per week, doing the same exact thing. Your monthly income will be 16,000, then 17, then 19, then 21, then 23, 26, all the way down, baby, till you're making right down there. Taking home, leaving in 8, putting in 8. Look at all those beautiful numbers, how it grows. So beautiful. Day trading, what is it? You saw that. What is day trading? It's using my profit system in stocks and crypto. Both are based on the Heinz Trade play and positive expectancy. Buying at a low price and selling at a higher price. Day trading is placing a trade in the same day. It usually lasts a couple of minutes. Swing trading is holding that position and trade overnight. Let's say, as an example, you buy 1,000 shares of VLTC. It's a Heinz sequence. The Heinz means I'm playing it through an even number. $9, $10, $100. I call it the Heinz trade play because it moves very slow in anticipation underneath the even number. Once it goes through the even number, it takes off like a rocket ship. So you want to buy 1,000 shares up and into $9, selling it at $9.50 in 15 minutes is a 50-cent gain on the stock, times 1,000 shares is a $500 profit. It's that simple. That's what day trading is. Step 1 for a trader, you get the Mojo Beginner Trading School course. It's worth $9.98, but it's free. Download that. Step 2, you join the Mojo Day Trading chat room, because what you learn in the course, we have to trade together. We trade together every day. I have a great Discord chat room. Then in step 3, you paper trade with coaching and reviews before you risk your real money in stage 3. 4, you're going to graduate and finish the course. So while you're learning, you're earning by paper trading and not risking your real money. Because that's the worst thing that's going to happen when you're a new trader with the Mojo is you're like, dude, Mojo's the greatest. I'm going to make some money. And you screw up. Everyone else makes money. And you can't, and it leaves you with a bad taste in your mouth that like you can't do it. And you should have waited. That's all. And then you start making money for real in step 5. That's the game. That's the roadmap that you got to take. My special bonus number 1, I have it on my site. It's $99. It's my best-selling video for 9 years. If you go to mojodaytrading.com, a pop-up will come up and it'll ask you to put in your email address and you can get that video for free. That's the original. I also have an updated one on the same page as a bonus. So you get to learn all about the level 2 and how it works. I'll ProTrader Mike for free. Thank you, David. It's on the website. Understanding my level 2. There's the VLTC. Look at that baby roll. Ooh, 10. I got some amazing bonuses, but a little bit about myself. We'll skip that. Skip this one. There's my Discord chat room, guys. Mojo Discord chat room. Come on every day. Got hundreds of traders in there. You can use it on your mobile phone, your iPad, on your computer. Real-time traders doing real-time things, making real-time money and losing real-time money. We like to win real-time money more than losing real-time money, and that's the name of the game. So if you're losing real-time money, you're in a person's going, damn, dude, I'm losing. You better cut it. If you're winning, that means you're on the right side. Keep whatever you're doing going and win 3 times in a row, you're good for the day. So you start off on the first trade and you're like, bam, made money. Perfect. You're like, dude, one more trade, I do it. Boom, done. I just made money. I'm done for the day. 2 trades, you're right at your daily goal. If you like really got the flow going, nail one more. If you can get 3 trades in a row, bro, you're over your daily goal. You're done for the day. So you start off, you do the first trade, you lose. Now you got to do the next trade and win. Got to take your time. Then you lose again. Then you got to win again. Then you got to win again. Now you 1 up. Then you lose again. You're back to even. Then you do another good trade. You're 1 up. Then you do another good trade. You're 2 up. It should be right at your daily goal, but a little bit less because the commissions on all that back and forth grinded you down. So now you got to go for the next trade, the 3rd one in a row. And you nail that 3rd one in the row. You're right at your daily goal plus a little bit more where you would have been at 2 right in a row. And that's the name of the game, dude. You got to do 3 right in a row and you're done for the day. It's a business. You ain't no analyst. I hate every single stock in the entire market with a passion. Ask me about it. It's a piece of poop. I hate them all. I'm not bullish. I'm not bearish. I just like to be right. I'm not an analyst. I just wait for my one setup, my profit system. I nail it through the even number. I'm right a lot. That's why I have a chat room. That's why people have paid me for the course, because I figured out a system and I could teach it to you and it works. It's amazing. I have screen share in the chat room, meaning you could see my screen live as I'm trading. You can look at it and be like, damn, I'm copying that. All I got to do is copy his trades and make money in the chat room. And like I told you with the new traders, the warning, hold off for the first week when you start to trade, because you need to learn the scaling methodology and the systems before risking your real money, because you're going to leave you frustrated with a bad taste in your mouth and you can't do it. PS on the bottom, new traders should only do the Heinz Trade play. That's the even number roll, because it works every time. And if it works every time, it's a sure shot. There's not a lot of risk in it for you if you do it correctly. So in the morning, you should always turn on your computer and you should scan for stocks in the market on your high-low list or on gainers lists for volume, float, and price. I do that every day in the Mojo Room. I create my watch list, my trading plan. I check my systems. I have my account balances all in order in my book. I have a huge journal book right here with all my accounts and my journals all very neatly in order. I always have a fresh cup of coffee and I'm always ready for the open. And at the open, I have patience, patience, patience. I'm going to sit there. I'm going to eye out 2 or 3 trades that are right near the even number. And once the market opens, I promise you, one of those is flying through the even number. It's going to be the biggest winner of the day. And that's what I'm loving. And I'm going to nail it like Clove, AMC, GME, COS, AHT, BBIG, Workhorse, Twitter, going through 60 Heinz today. You name it, I do it. That's what we do in the Mojo Room. I trade everything that's in Momo momentum through the even number. I'll look for a nickel and a dime on one of them smaller stocks, like 2, 3, 4, 5. Take a dime 5 times. On a 50-cent, $50 stock or a coin, on Coinbase, trading 223, I'll take $2. $3 if I could. Big trade. Sometimes I've taken 10. Tesla flying up and down. You can nail 10 pointers. And like I mentioned, this goes up every day. Every day we're usually done by 10:30 a.m. There's 20 days a month. 18 out of the 20 we're done in 1 hour. We shut it down. We conduct trading as a business. We don't trade to have fun. We trade to make money. Mojo waits for the trades to present themselves. When you push the trading, you will get burned more than you win. And when you hit your goal and you continue to trade 90% of the time, you'll give it back and go negative for the day. I like high probability trades, making aggressive scores, and scoring a few times a day is enough for your business to grow by leaps and bounds. It's a marathon and not a sprint. I'll see you tomorrow. Done for the day. ProTrader Mike signing off. Keep it profitable. I do that every day at 10:30. New trader help guide. You want to start trading stocks in the market? Done. You got to buy as a businessman and not a trader. You got to be unemotional. What's going to make you unemotional? 1,000 shares. This is how you're going to buy it. 500 and 500 in 2 shots, or boom, 1,000 shares in 1 shot. You're in. You're going to buy 2,000 shares of that stock. You're going to buy it 3 times. 500 shares, and then 1,000 shares 3 times. And when I made the slide up, bros and gals, there was commissions on the stocks. Now with E-Trade, Ameritrade, and those trades, dude, I would do for 2,000 shares, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. Then I do 500 because I know I got the bottom. First green bar up, 1,000, I'm in. 3,000 shares, I'd go 100, 100, 100, 100, 100. It would firm up. I'd go 500, 500, and then it would go green bar higher, 1,500. I did that on Clove today. I did that on so many stocks today as they were going down, down, down. Hitting my stop where I liked it. Entry, 100, 100, 100. Lower, lower, 100, lower, 100. Oh, it's firming up, 500. Oh, it's going higher, 1,000. Now it goes higher again. I'm making moolah jula. That's how I do it. That's what we do. Heinz Trade play. You want to do 10,000 shares? Buy 1,000 at 90, 2,000 right there at 95, and 7,000 at 98. It'll roll right through the even number, a la Mojo. You buy at 90. Number 2 is the squeeze at 95. It goes right through. Boom, you're done. You want to learn the system traders are using to make thousands of dollars a day in the stock market? It's a system that's easy to follow and profitable day in and day out. Does the profit system work? This trader right here off this profit system never made money before, but in August of 2014, 7 years ago, he's been with me and is still in the room today. He made $1 million in 6 months with the system in the Mojo Room since 2014. He's been with Mojo for 8 weeks, traded 7 of the 8 weeks for $143,000 profit. He's a smaller trader, made $20,000 year to date, not counting with Mike. When I listen to Mike, I make money. I'm up $1,500 this week. Okay, you won't, Michael, we're looking to make $1 million this year with Mike's Heinz. With the Heinz, jump aboard, you won't regret it. This trader, his name is ProTrader Heinz. He's made $1 million a long time ago. That's what he lives in, something like that. You know that. You know that. You're making big dollars, dude. You can do whatever you want, dude. Absolutely. Dude, Bugatti Minardi, Ferrari Minari. There's the Mojo ride, my Mustang. And there's the power to succeed. Over the past 6 years, I've taught my live university class to hundreds of students all over the world. This trader, ProTrader Allen, is from Norway. That trader. Gerardo, young crypto millionaire from Miami. And this is Allen. ProTrader Allen was my first person I ever met online in 2012 on StockTwits. I was giving out picks and he saw the picks and he said, dude, your picks are amazing. Let's do a Skype, dude. I want them picks. And because other guys had rooms charging $99 a month. So I said, dude, you give me $99 a month. Me and you on Skype. Done. Then I got another guy and another guy. And then he said, I'll give you $2,000, dude. You teach me everything you know. I said, done. He's been with me every day in the Mojo Day Trade room right here. He can't remember he's had a losing day in over a year. That was 5 years ago. In 500 plus days, 7 years, 2017 for a freshman, he's had one losing day, one, since November of 2014, using the Heinz trading system. He's in the room every single day. You join Mojo Day Trading, you'll see him in the room tomorrow morning. He will be gone by 10 to 10:30. You will not see him anymore. He's gone. He is a champion trader, one of the best traders in this entire world, without a doubt and a question, ProTrader Allen. Okay. You believe in yourself and stop negative thoughts, the law of attraction. Okay. Copy, dude. All you got to do is copy us. Special bonus number 2. I'm skipping that. Trading a small account to a large account. Skip that. Here you go. Traders, setting up your trade station. You need 2 monitors to trade stocks. You need one monitor on the left with the platform, the Dosh Trader, binging around just like I got in the room. We trade on the same platform. And on the right, you got the Mojo Day Trade room. You take the one monitor, you stick it in the back of the computer. You take the other monitor with the HDMI, you stick it in the back of the computer, the Dell desktop. That's all you need. The laptop, you take the tooth and you stick it in the sides of the laptop, and you got 2 monitors plus the monitor. You're going to have 3 monitors on your laptop, and wireless keyboard and mouse or wired. You need recommended specs for your computer. You need at least an Intel i7 CPU or AMD Ryzen 7 processor. It's called a CPU, central processing unit. You need RAM. You need 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM minimum. You need a 500 gigabyte solid state drive, hard drive. I'd get more. You need graphics cards, a minimum of a 1050 Ti. I would get 1070 Ti, NVIDIA GTX graphics cards, or the new 3080s. You get dual monitors, a 20 or to a 24-inch 1080p dual monitors. I got 3 monitors, dude. I got 1, 2, 3, and I got this little arm to hold them up off the desk. See that? It holds them up off the desk in the air. You get that little arm. It's amazing, dude. It's amazing. And you need a fresh pot of coffee all the time when you trade. Internet connection. You go to www.speedtest.net and you run your internet connection and your speed. Okay. And you got to be at least like me, 359 on the down, 429 on the up. You need some fast internet connection to be a trader because the data's coming in like rocket fire. GME's rocking and AMC's flopping, dude. You don't want no chopping. You want smooth. Otherwise, dude, you'd be losing big dollars. Day trading home setup. Number 1, you get the desktop or the laptop computer with dual monitors. 2, you get the fast internet connection. Download 60, minimum upload 20. If it's slow like that, you better get it upgraded. Become a member of the Mojo Day Trading team. Trade with me in the Mojo Room. 4, open a simulated demo account. That's 4. 5, download the platform and watch all the instructional videos on trading the simulated account. 6, paper trade until you can prove consistent profits. 7, get coached by me. I'll do reviews, help you with your trading. And you repeat this until you're ready to trade live. And you got to have a fresh pot of coffee. International traders, no problem. Skip that, skip that. Per share versus per ticket. No more commissions nowadays. This is your account like a tracking sheet. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. My account equity is this. My daily P&L is this. My daily ROI is this. My total is this. The next day it went into that, and there's my commission. And you keep track week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4. I'm going to show you my awesome trade play. It's called the Heinz. I've said it 1,000 times. And I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 every morning in just 60 minutes and less. Oh, and what the hell is a chart? A candlestick. The Heinz. It's a trade play that works with great consistency. When a stock approaches 60 cents, 70 cents, 80 cents, get ready. 90 cents. Here we go. There's a 90% chance at 90 cents it's going to work. At 95 cents, it's a 95% chance. At 98 cents, dude, I'm all in. Over 10 years, my challenge has been to my students, you show me a Heinz trade play that doesn't work. There's your challenge, boys and girls. You show me a Heinz trade play that doesn't work. I haven't seen one in 10 years, and I ain't bullshitting. It's got to be green, it's got to be trading volume, and it's got to be at 98 cents. And you show me that stock, and it doesn't go through the 0-0 even par. Impossible. It's a computer algorithm that's a glitch in the stock market, and I figured it out. Okay. It works with amazing consistency. And the mini Heinz is the 50-cent number. The Heinz is the dollar number. Positive expectancy is what it's all about. You ain't going to believe it's moved up so much. It's right at that even number. You're like, no way is that thing going through. It's got a huge amount of shares on the ask. It goes through every time based on positive trading expectancy. Okay. What happens is positive there's a lot of language on here, but I'll just basically go through it and read it to you really quick because it's cool. When you first start to trade, how do you judge your results? Most novice traders trade like little understanding of trading expectancy. You focus entirely on your win rate in the early days. You're probably trying to win 80 or even 90% of the time, and it's a struggle. You may even able to achieve it for a short period of time, but your small wins don't cover your big losses, and you hit an unlucky string of losing trades, and you can't recover. While very high win rates can be achieved by experienced traders, those with a system that allows a huge drawdown is extremely difficult for new traders to sustain the percentages as various trading errors and impatience get the best of them. From there, you might shift your focus to your risk-reward ratio. As long as you can win more than you don't lose, you can make trading profitable. You may be looking at even 3 to 4 times as much profit on a winner compared to a loser, but the struggles continue. Your win rate drops dramatically, and even the odd on the big one wasn't big enough to pay for all the little losses, dude, that you take. Okay. Trading with confidence through positive expectancy. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is they try to enter the competitive battlefield without having a trading edge. Just as you'd be foolish for a samurai warrior to enter the battle not knowing the quality and condition of his chosen weapon, armor, and trader, he must know the quality and of his trading edge. Without this knowledge, how can you be confident to face adversity? Only through research, testing, focused practice sessions can a trader be fully confident on their edge and overall trading expectancy. Knowing your trading expectancy and edge is the Heinz trade play. Embrace your edge, keep your discipline, and carve out your piece of the market with confidence. Understanding the level 2 and moving into the Heinz is key. It shows you supply and demand, movement and direction, and where the price of the stock is. Okay. The Heinz trade play is simple. You buy number 1 at 90 cents to 95 cents. You buy number 2 at 95 cents to the even number. You have self-belief and positive expectancy. FTNT at 1550.07 was 39.96 by 39.97. Look at the big number at 40, the 103 right here. It's going to go right through that 40, and within 3 minutes, it goes to 40.09, and it continued from there. I'm selling the first part right here at 04 to 09, and if it goes back down under the 40, I'm out. But if it continues higher, I'm selling more at 19, more at 29, more at 39, and more at 44 to be flat, and only to rebuy it up through the 50 even number, because odds are it's going to come back down. And that's my Heinz Trade play, my patented system. It's 80% accurate for anybody if you follow these two important things. Number one, the trend is your friend. Number two, stocks in motion stay in motion. If you have a big ask on the level 2, right here, you could see ONTY where my mouse is. It's 9:47 in the morning. It's 239 on the bid by 240 on the ask. The high is 240, and there's a big, huge number right there, 1406 at 9:47. 6 minutes later, it's right through that number at 252. And if I asked 1,000 traders, do you think it's going to go through 241? Out of 1,998 would say no. They teach the level 2 that is bearish. There's a big supply there, so it's going down. You're wrong. The big bid is bearish. You see this one? It's 201 by 202 with the 1502 on the bid. That's bearish. That's a big bid, a big buyer. He's going to get hit. It's going to go right down through him. And the stock traded 17 million shares. By the time it traded 24 million, you were down at 178. You lost your pants on that trade because you didn't see him at 201 with the huge old bid. And every single person out there in the world but me teaches you on the level 2. That's bullish. Look at the big support. You're wrong. And I'll take anybody to the game on that. Anybody. 891 by 899. Guess where it's going? Through Heinz 9. Look, 902 by 903. Look at the big signal at 903, guys. It's going to go right through that. I'd ask 100 people, is it? They're going to say no, but it is. Look, 913. It went from 941.10 to 941.30 within 20 tenths of a second. It went right through that signal right there at 903, went right to 913, goes right to 936. Selling some there, absolutely. Selling some under here and rebuying it back through 50. It goes 53, and then it goes 69. It's going to sell here. Going to sell here into 69, 79, and into 10. Went right from 9 to 10. Look, TSPT. It's 9:32 in the morning, guys. The market just opened. Look at the signal at 271 on the ask. It's bullish. It's going to go higher. Look. 375. Did it go higher in 3 minutes? It jumped $1. Look. It went 271 to 375. Big one. Look at this one. SPWR trading huge volume on both sides. Look at the ask at 21, the Heinz. Large ask. It's already up $1, 4.5 million shares. I poll 1,000 traders. Would you buy that there? They'd all say no. Guess how fast it moved, guys? Look, 21 right there. It's giving you another chance. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Buy it, hurry. 21.44. Went right through Heinz. Look, 790 by 94. There's a signal at 96 going right through $8. Look, a 41 and a 20 right there on the ask going right through 8. Went right to 829. Look at the time, 10:51:09. It traded 200,000. Now it's traded 700,000. Look at this one, OMER. Which way is it going, guys? Which way? Which way? It's going lower. Look at the bid, 188 at 24. Don't you see it? 24.10 by 19. It's going under 24. Look, 23.50 went right down, dude. 929, 937. 8 minutes later after the market opened, guess what? You traded pre-market. You couldn't wait. You thought it would never go lower than 29.19. Guess what? You bought it when it opened at 23.50. You got a much better price. Okay. Look at JD, 26 Heinzing right here with the huge signal right here at 9:45 after the open. High is 26. It's at 25.98 with 55,000 on the ask. You blink your eyes, it's already going through at 9:45.17, 9:45.30. Look, it's right there on the ask with a penny pincher at 99 cents. They need it so bad. Look, bam, 26.18 by 20 with another big signal at 20. It's going right through that. Look, 32 by 35, right? Look, it went to 27.07. It flew up a whole dollar. This is the mini Heinz through 450, signal at 449. Here's another one. This is Apple, the largest ask you've ever seen at $99. So I poll 100 traders. Would you buy there? 99 said no. One trader did, and he was a pro trader on the Mojo team. That thing went to 99.50 so damn fast, dude. Watch. 98, 98, 99. Look at it, dude. Look. Watch how big it goes through 99. 99.09, 99.11. Now, the next day, it's at 100. This is the largest ask I've ever seen. There's 1.2 million shares at 100. The high is 100. I pulled 100 traders. Would you buy there? 99 said no, I would short it there. Watch how much that went up and how fast it went up. 1156.16. It went up $3, dude. The Heinz. It's called the Gonzo. When the ask is so damn big, I named the trade play after it. It moves so damn fast. That's called the Gonzo. Like that. See it, the Gonzo at $18. The 4599. That is, the bigger the number, the bigger that stock's going to 19. 1802. It ripped right through. Look how fast. 956.26, 957.04. I got them all in the trade playbook, dude. In my Mojo University, I teach the V-band, the wow, the one shot, the Heinz, the Hulk. All in my trade play, the Cupid top, the rail grind, the wave theory. You got to know all these, the auto close trade play, the green giant trade play, the lemon squeeze trade play, the bounty trade play, the box trade play, all in my courses, dude. I've been teaching so many people how to trade, dude. You need to come and let me teach you, man. You become the next pro trader in Mojo University, bro. Anybody who joins my chat room, I'll give you the course for free. Done. You saw the show tonight. You join my chat room, trade with me. I'll give you the course for free. You save $1,497 for the education. Use that money to fund your trading account and make money. Who does that for you? Nobody. You can do it in Teachable on your iPad. It's available 24 hours a day. It's 50 aha moments. You'll get like tonight, you had a couple of aha moments. You'll have 50 aha moments. It's my online day trading course, $14.97. It's yours for free. Yours for free tonight. You join my chat room. I get your subscription. In the next 24 to 40, you get this course for free. And the tip, and we'll end it tonight, guys. If your trade doesn't work in the first 5 minutes, the odds are it goes down 50%. It ain't going to work at all. If you're in a trade for 15 minutes, dude, guess what? You're an idiot. It ain't working. You kidding me, dude? I do 250 trades per month. Average scalps 15 cents, bro. We're not going to talk about swing trading in the Ken Slim. because that's just a whole nother thing. So I'll skip these babies. And that was my crypto trading, dude. I even teach crypto trading, teach swing trading, crypto trading, you name it. I bought Bitcoin right there at 14,900 for the Heinz of 15,000, right? At 9:13, I said it right there, Heinz, then the Mojo Room on Bitcoin. And 15 minutes later, it's 15,700, dude. That was years ago. Now it's 60,000, bro. I do it on all these. So I'd love to have you in the course. Thank you for allowing me to show you all about the Mojo systems and stock trading. That's what stock trading is, guys. It ain't no fancy bells and whistles and Fibonacci's and technical mumbo jumbo. It's taking the stock through Heinz, selling it and making money. Otherwise, you're going to lose. Tell me something different and let me try it. I haven't seen it. I've been trading for 30 years. I've tried every freaking thing out there to become successful. I've never, ever made money or seen money until I figured out the system. And now I got hundreds of traders with me every day doing it, back testing it, letting me know for sure that it's still working. And dude, you need to do it as well. You need to learn the Heinz Trade play. And that's what we do with stocks, bro. Crypto, futures, and everything else. How do we join the room? I'll put up a link right here in the chat. I'll give you the combo pack, a BOGO, the Mojo chat room, the Mojo swing trade newsletter, plus the course, $149 a month combo pack. Done. I'll post this to the panelists and you can put the link in there. Done. Anybody joins that 149, you get in the chat room, you get in the newsletter, and you're getting the course. Done. Welcome aboard. And your new name is ProTrader blank. After 5 years, you become a master pro trader. Here's the Mojo chat room right here. So this is the Mojo chat room. The master pro traders, 5 years. The pro traders underneath them, 0 to 5 years. So right now, most of the people are offline. 178 people in the chat room that are offline right now that'll come online in the morning. And right here is where we post the trades. No one will ever send you a private message in the chat room. It's a scam. We don't do that. It's a very amazing chat room. I post the pics in here. Right here. Someone just signed up right there. Thank you for the thank you. I just got to sign up right there. You hear that blink? Welcome aboard. I post the trades in here. Look, coin. We're doing an entry. 100, 200, and 700. We're going to nail it right at the bottom right there. See that? Done. Right there and right there. That's what we do. And I put the trades out. I tell you exactly how we're doing it and when we're selling. Look, bought it off the bottom, popped up. Clove made 10,520 today. Coin trading made $3,000, unrealized 1,000, unrealized 500. Boom, right there. That's how we're trading. Clove right through Heinz. Look, Clove time. Heinz 15 right there, 1486. Adding 1496. Selling 1516. Enough said. Look forward to having you in the chat room. Thank you, David, for letting me present and help some traders out, which I love to do. Thank you, sir.